With proper maintenance and routine furnace inspections, your furnace can last for years. If you follow these 7 simple steps, you can ensure that your furnace will run for years to come. Step 1. How to replace your furnace filter. Locate and remove the furnace filter cover. Step 2. Inspect the furnace filter, looking for dirt particles and garbage that may prevent proper airflow through the filter. If the filter appears dirty and clogged, proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Slide the new filter firmly into place, ensuring the directional arrow on the filter is pointing towards your furnace. Then, simply replace the cover. Step 4. How to clean the inside of your furnace. Simply remove the furnace cover lift from your furnace. Step 5. Inspect the inside of your furnace, looking for dust, dirt, cobwebs, and general debris. Step 6. Vacuum dirt buildup throughout inner portion of the unit, making sure to vacuum every corner and edge where dirt is likely to build up. Step 7. Return the cover lift to its original position, making sure that each panel is locked back into place. After following these simple steps, your furnace will be clean and ready to use. If you find damaged wires, loose connections, or anything else out of the ordinary, we highly recommend that you call Dean's or a plumber in your local area. If you have any questions on how to maintain your furnace or need our furnace repair and installation services, please call our toll-free number at 1-800-889-9676 or visit our website at www.deansplumbing.com. Dean's Professional Plumbing, Heating and Air. Faster, cleaner, better.